Hello, in front of me I've got Turtle Beach Stealth 600 Gen 2. In this video I'll show you how to pair it with Xbox. In the beginning, on your Xbox, press and hold the pairing button, which is located next to the power button. Of course, make sure that the console is turned on. Now, on your headphones, take a look at the left air cap and then simply press this button for 3 seconds. Once the pairing mode is enabled, your headphones will automatically connect with Xbox. Of course, before, make sure that the headphones are turned on. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.